Good morning, class. I am Helen Rodila Narias.
Dania Marie Melendres,
Ayasa Maria Arguscon, Leslie T. Monterdi,
Therese Brignola,
And
we are your mathematics teachers for today.
Before we start, please all stand for the opening prayer and give thanks to the Lord. Dania Marie, please lead the prayer.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God as we say, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, now and ever shall be, world without end.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
You may now take your seats.
Yung ma'am.
Good morning once again, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So another wonderful day today, no? So how are you today, class?
Hi, ma'am.
Good ma'am.
Are there any absent, class secretary?
No ma'am.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear. So I have here a flashcards which contains a multiplication, and I want you to solve the product of each multiplications in each card mentally. But before that, again, what are the standards of answering the questions properly?
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Okay, very good. What else?
Do not too noisy while answering the questions.
Okay, very good. So let's start. So what is 6 times 9? Ronyola.
54, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about 5 times 8? Melendres?
40, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about 3 times 4? Anyone? Ronyola? 12, ma'am. Okay, very good. So others answer mo. How about 9 times 9?
Ma'am. 81.
Okay, very good. How about 7 times 9? Melendres?
63.
Okay, very good. 9 times 5? Okay, Monterde?
25.
Okay, very good. What is 8 times 8? Melendres?
64.
Okay, very good. How about 7 times 8? Okay, Brunyola?
56 ma'am.
Okay, very good. 7 times 7? Monterde?
49 ma'am.
Okay, very good. And last, what is 10 times 10? Teresa?
100 ma'am.
Okay, so very good. So I think you are already knowledgeable enough on how to multiply. Now, before we are going to proceed to our discussion, I want you to try to solve this 2-digit multiplication. Diba, ganina ang inyong answeran is 1 digit naman to, 1 digit multiplication. So now, you are going to solve this 2 digits multiplication. So just raise your hand if you want to answer in front of the class. Okay, so who can answer the statement number 1? And show your solution here. So, ikahuman ninyo og show sa inyong solutions diri is inyo ibutang diri ang inyong final product. So, who can answer this multiplication number 1? Melendres. Okay, very good. So our final product of 14 times 10 is equals to
40.
140. So giyon sa man pagkuha ang 140. So I here. So 14 is mo ni siya ang ato ang multiplicand. And 10 is our multiplier. And the operation that we use is
Multiply.
okay, very good. So, una-una to pag multiply ang right side sa atong multiplier sa multiplicand. So, 0 times 4,
0.
0 times 1,
0.
Next is the left side. 1 times 4,
4.
4. So, 1 times 1.
1.
So, yun sa man pagkuha ang 140.
I-add ang partial product.
Okay, very good, Brilliant. So, i-add na siya. So, i-bring down na nato ang 0. Then, i-bring down na to ang 4. And then, ang 1. So, the final product is
140.
very good. How about the number 2? Ranyola? Okay, thank you, Ranyola. So, sakto ba ang iyang answer nga 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Sakto. So, how about 20 times 10? Oh, 30. So, thank you, Monterde. So, sakto ba ang answer nga 200?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, same process yapon sa number 1. Ang pagkuha sa product sa number 3 and number 2.
Class, do you know what's this?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those?
Socks.
Do you wear socks?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
How many pairs do you have?
I only have 5.
I only have 6.
How about you, Leslie? I only have 3. Do you know that those pair of socks were made by Filipinos?
Oh, really?
Yes, they're amazing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kita ka na ba, mga Filipinos very hard working jud. Like, daghan din na produce sa mga Filipinos para maka-provide of something for our Filipino also.
So I have here a sample problem. So each of the 45 sewers of excellent garments can make pairs of socks in a week. How many pairs can they make? So before solving the problem, let us first answer the following questions. What is asked in the problem? Anyone? What is asked in the problem? Yes, Monterde.
How many pairs can they make?
Next is what are the given? Yes, Lanorias.
So, the given are 45 sewers and 1 week.
Okay, very good. So the givens are 45 sewers and 1 week. So how many days are there in 1 week?
7 days.
Okay, 7 days. Very good. So what operation will be used? Brunyola.
Multiplication, ma'am.
Very good. And then what is the mathematical sentence for the problem? Who can answer the mathematical sentence? You can write it on the board. Yes, Lenorias. Okay, thank you. So now, since we already have the givens and the mathematical sentence, we can now solve for the product or the total number of pairs that sewers can make. So we have here the givens 45 times 7. So 45 times 7. What is our multiplicand here?
45.
Multiplier is
7.
Very good. And the operation used is
Multiplication.
very good. So let us first find the product on the right side, the numbers on the right side. So 7 times 5 is equal to
35.
very good. Carry 3. 7 times 4 is
28.
plus 3.
31.
So we have a total of 315 what?
Pairs of socks.
Very good. So the answer of the problem, how many pairs can they make, is 315 pairs of socks.
So at this point in time, let us try to solve the exercise. So number 1 is 8,364 times 53 equals to unknown. So try to solve. So what is our multiplicand here?
8,364.
So 8,364. Then what is our operation?
Multiplication.
So x multiplication. And our multiplier
53.
53. So let us now find the product. So mag-start good ta sa right sa atong multiplier with our multiplicand. So what is 3 times 4?
12.
Bring down to
Carry 1.
carry 1. What is 3 times 6?
18.
Plus 1?
19.
19.
Carry
What?
1.
Okay, very good. What is 3 times 3?
9.
Plus 1?
10.
Okay, bring down 0. Carry 1. What is 8 times 3?
24.
Plus 1?
25.
Okay. 25. This is 25. Kay 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So 25 ni siya. So ano na sa second one sa left side sa atong multiplier? What is 5 times 4?
20.
So since second naman na siya nga multiplier nato, so ani nato siya ibutang sa 9. Tumong nato sa 9. Again, what is 5 times 4?
20.
20, very good.
Very good.
So what is 5 times 6?
30.
Plus 2?
32.
32. What is 5 times 3?
15.
Plus 3?
18.
18. Plus 1, what is 5 times 8?
40.
Plus 1?
41.
41. So, adding 25,092 and 41,820 is our partial product. So, this is our partial product. So, atong buhaton again is
Add.
very good. I-add na to ang atong partial products to get our final product. So, bring down to 9 plus 0,
9.
9. 2, 8 plus 5,
13.
13. 2 plus 1,
3.
plus 1,
4.
4. And bring down 4. So, our final product is
400. 143,292.
Okay, very good. This is now our final product. Okay, since Manamantaso number 1 is, so try to solve the remaining statement in your own.
So, to multiply whole numbers, multiply each digit of the multiplicand by each digit of the multiplier. Start with the ones digit of the multiplier and add the partial products to get the final product.
So do you understand our lesson today?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, I will give you an activity to assess if nakasabot ba gid mo sa ato ang lesson. So, the first given is find the product and be sure to solve accurately. So the first one is 40,306 times 27. So inyo na i-solve ug unsaon like this one ug unsaon ni siya pag-solve.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and so on. So the second one is give the complete solution to the problem. So, read carefully and understand para makuha ninyo ang ipangayo sa given problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Pass your papers.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now that we're done on how to multiply whole numbers, I have here an assignment for you. So read each problem, write the mathematical sentence, then solve. Be sure to give the complete answer. The question is, Mr. Rico sold 2,321 copies of mathematical books. Mr. Paz sold 12 times as many. How many mathematics books did Mr. Paz sell? So I want you to enhance your knowledge more on how to multiply whole numbers. So be sure to do this at home and pass this tomorrow. That would be all and class dismissed.
Thank you, ma'am.